Hey everyone, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel, Relax.Cut.Glue. If you're new here, welcome. I am so happy to have you all here with me today. So today I want to play in my Birds and Blooms glue book. It's been a little bit since I've played in here, so you'll have to excuse me. I'm not feeling very well, so I'm probably not going to make this video too long. But look how pretty this glue book is. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, I have more done in here than I remember. Look at this. These are like back-to-back pages of doneness. I love it. Ooh. So let's work here so we can continue. Ooh, I need to trim right here, I think. We'll do that another time. So I don't even know what I have anymore for this glue book. I know I have a ton of squares, which I'm reaching for right now. So let's just glue a bunch of these down and we'll go from there. Let's see here. Excuse me. Okay, so there we go. We have that. And there was something that was, here's a bird. Just wanted to grab some of the birds from the flowers. Kind of separate those just a little bit. This needs to be cut still. Okay, let's just start gluing. Ooh, I love these. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. Let's put that right there. Ooh, so exciting. I don't have a lot of fussy cuts for this glue book left, but I do have a lot of squares and rectangles, so I'm super excited to put those down because then I can always come back through with my fussy cuts and add more later. All right. But this is perfect for when those days where you just want to glue, add a bunch of backgrounds or squares or things like that. Super fun. There we go. Do I have that all the way to the top or is that something showing? I think I do. Okay. Scraper. Oops, let's go. There we go. I think I got that over enough. Gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, what else do we want to add there? Oh, here's another bird and another bird. Shocker that there would be birds. Okay, I really do love the robin. Oh, and it fits here perfect, so let's do it. Let's put it right here. That will be perfect. All right. Oh my gosh, it's Friday. I totally forgot to do my Friday song. I got thrown off by taking a day off of work. I rarely do that. Very rarely. And technically, even though I took a day off, I was still working in the background. But you guys just didn't really see me. Yesterday was my youngest son's 17th birthday, and he had a great day. Very low-key. We had steaks for dinner, and I diced up a bunch of like little yellow, baby yellow and red potatoes, and I roasted them in the oven, and oh my gosh, my mom was obsessed. She's like, these are so good. So of course we sent her home with a bunch. Ooh, a dragonfly. I get so many dragonflies in my yard, and they've just now started to come out and fly around. I hadn't seen them yet this summer, and I thought that was kind of weird because we get so many dragonflies, but now they're out. So now we see them, and they're huge, you guys. Like, I've never seen a bug so big in my life. In fact, they look like little birds almost. And like if you see the shadow on the grass as they fly by, it's like there's a bird in the sky. They're huge. So big, in fact, that one year I saw a feral cat catch one and then give it to her kitten, and I look over and I see this little kitten walking with this massive dragonfly in its mouth. And the dragonfly, it was kind of like if a kid is walking with something that's like a big sweatshirt or something and they trip over the sleeves. It was like that because the dragonfly was like bigger than its head. It was crazy. Okay, what am I doing? I needed a new glue stick and that threw me off. Yeah, I need to trim over here, but we'll do that later. So yeah, it's really fun. They like swarm around in a circle in our backyard hunting. I used to think it was for mating, but I looked it up and it sounds like it's more for hunting for bugs. All right. Anybody have any big plans for the weekend? I will be doing a Happy Mail video tomorrow. My kids and husband are going to a Mariners baseball game. So they're excited about that. Oops. Oh, no. Okay, well, that works too. I'm trying to... I think I got it. I think I got it. Am I all the way to the edge? Of course not. Oh my gosh, struggling. Okay. We can add some washi tape down the side if we need to. I'm going to turn this over and give it a little press. Okay. Oops, too far, too far. And then we'll come back through later and add whatever I need to add. Okay, let's add some more flowers. Well, this is a nice little, that one won't be wide enough. Let's add some purple. Against my better judgment. If you're in my Facebook group, it was funny. I said something the other day. I can't remember what it was. It was a joke about purple because you guys know it's not like my favorite color. And a lot of the reason is, well, it was always my sister's. It's my sister's favorite color. So growing up, anything purple was hers. And, you know, anything blue was mine. But anyway, I said something about purple, and then my sister, who's in my Facebook group, chimes in, what's wrong with purple? Everything's wrong. And I'm just joking. So many of you love purple. And I, you know, as I've gotten older, I've grown to like it a little bit more, but there's definitely certain shades of purple that I prefer. Like, I like a dusty, kind of grayish purple. I love that. Okay. Ooh, a cardinal. They always remind my mom of my dad. Should I put a cardinal on here since I do have a robin, and robins remind me and my sister of my dad? Let's wait. I can still add that later. Okay. Maybe. How do I want to do this? Ooh. I mean, I have enough squares here that I can find one that actually fits. No, that one's a little skinny. Oh, that's another purple one. Ooh, 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 ooh. These remind me of my gladiolas. Maybe I should do this one like this. Let's do that. Okay. I love it when a plan comes together. My throat is on fire. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel like poo. Okay. Gluing does make it feel a little bit better. Move this over. Get that down in there. Ooh, this is going to be such a pretty page when I'm all done with it. Does my cardinal just like fit right here? I mean, it does, and then I could add something over. Okay, I will probably do that. Actually, should I do this? I don't know. These are too matchy-matchy. Let's break it up just a little bit. I keep throwing flowers onto my birds. Go over here. Oh yeah, the hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. One of my favorites. It could go this way too. Like it's going down into a flower. Why am I struggling all of a sudden? Okay, let's look for some new. Oh wait, I've had this piece forever. It's like different bird seeds you're supposed to give your birds. I could do that. So let's put something down here, and then I'll put this down the middle. So something maybe not so important to me. Like maybe I could do these leaves. Let's cut it a little bit. Where's my trimmer? Oh no, where's my little baby? I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here. It's all discombobulated. Let's cut a little bit off of this. Oh my gosh, my dogs are freaking out there because, oh, of course I cut too much. I thought I had a lot to cut off. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? This is what I'm gonna do. Because today, just call me Bob the Builder because I fix things. Maybe that would be my mob name, Bob the Builder. Can he fix it? Yes, he can. Oh my gosh. Some of you are like, what is she talking about? If you're a parent of a child that's a little bit older, you would know what I'm talking about. Okay, let's put this down.
Bob the Builder, can he fix it? Bob the Builder, yes he can.
And then let's glue this piece right here. Oh my gosh, I love this glue book so much. One of my favorites. One of my favorites. Okay, let's glue this. Well, that's upside down. Actually, I want to add another piece here first. Do I have another bird? It's a little bit, oh wait, what's this? No, that's too wide. I mean, all I have is the cardinal, which I love, but it doesn't, you know what I'm gonna do? I got this. Actually, I was gonna put a little piece of washi right there, but what if I just put, oh wait, look at this. I have a little strip. This is why I saved these. Oh no, it's not long enough, but let me see real quick if this would. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little strip of washi. Let's grab, we'll grab this little floral print right here. Okay. Just cut a little bit off of that. Oh, I hear Sherman dancing around out there. Oh my gosh, Xena had to go to the vet yesterday. First of all, I'm gonna need to start an OnlyFans just to pay for this stuff. She needed like a routine visit and ended up needing 5,000 things, and oh my gosh, it's so expensive. I should have become a veterinarian. You know, just like most girls, there was a short period of my childhood where I thought that's what I wanted to do. Then I realized I couldn't handle seeing the hurt animals because that's just how I am. And I didn't think I could handle it. I don't think I was wrong in that department. Okay, now let's put the cardinal, but wait. I have to cut just a wee bit, just a wee, because I need it to fit a little bit better right here. Oh, I knew that dog was going to bark. That was my little Australian Shepherd neighbor. I thought, oh, and there goes Sherman. He has to join in now too. I got you, Mom. I'm protecting you from out here. Oops. Oh no, it folded over. There we go. Well, now Bob's going out the garage. So much noise when everybody's home. My husband is on his 1 week of vacation a year right now. To raise this. Oh, Jackson's with him. What are you guys up to? Oh, my little baby that's now 17. Jackson's theme for his birthday this year. I've already done the theme before, but I decided to do it again with Scooby-Doo. I always do a theme for my kid's birthday, and I buy all the plates and decorate the house for it and stuff. It was really fun. I even grabbed like a little magnifying glass from the Dollar Tree and put that in the decoration on the table and stuff. It was cute. He got some great presents. He's a very happy little boy. Yesterday was kind of like an overcast, kind of rained a little bit in the morning kind of day, where we've been having really like warm weather. So it was really weird to have a day like that. And then we're getting back up there again this week. I don't do well in heat. It really messes with like my fibro and stuff. I get, what do you call it? Heat stroke very easily. Okay, so I don't like the bottom part here. That kind of bothers me a little bit, but I'm just gonna let it glow. Let it go. Let's see. Let's find what I have in here. Ooh, with this bird. No, that one's way too big. Way too big. I just wanted to see what kind of fussy cuts I had. Oh, I do have this hummingbird feeder. Yeah, that's too big for me right now too. Feisty Flyer. That's what it's called. Could add that somewhere. Ooh, what's this? Oh, another bird. Oh, maybe I should add this bird right here. Oh yeah, I'll add that bird right there. Even though it looks like it's going to eat the dragonfly. But that dragonfly is huge, so it would put up a fight. It would put up a fight. Okay. I have this little circle. These look like the little teeny tiny. This is, I think, what's in my yard. They're little itty bitty, teeny tiny, if that's what this is. They look exactly like this. They're like this big. Is that what those are? Because they're so tiny and I keep seeing them all over. Oh, I might do that. I think this one might be too big. Yeah. No. Oh, I need to go through that magazine that I cut all those flowers out from my other glue book. I need to cut some flowers out for this. I don't have like much fussy cut flowers. Okay, let's add, I do like this bird. I think I might grow a garden right here. Well, I don't really like that. I don't know. Okay, I do want to add this bird. So let's add that bird first because I do like it. Ooh, this is fun. If you want to see more videos with this glue book, I do have a playlist. You can check all those out. Okay. I don't like that. It drives me nuts. I guess I could put like, no, I don't want to take away from my robin. What's this? This is a female western bluebird. That's pretty. Here, I'll put that right there. Or I could put this one right here. It's a little bit smaller. But you got the green. Well, I guess this has green too. You know what? I'm just doing it. Okay, stop. Just glue it down. It's not that big of a deal. All right, here we go. Okay, I do like that. I'm glad I made myself do that. Let's see. What else did I have over here? Grow. Well, I could add a circle over here. Oh, maybe I should put this bird. I'll put grow a garden right here. Let's do that. Grow a garden. Oh my gosh, my sister, I shared it with the glue crew, but my sister has been taking photos her entire life. I mean, as a little kid, she was always taking photos. She would dress up our dogs and go outside and do little photo shoots and stuff. She loves nature and she loves gardening. And every year she takes the most stunning photos of birds and bees. And I mean, her bee pictures are so good. So anyways, she took a picture of this really chubby bumblebee and she said it was so funny. What was it sitting in? Like a, not a poppy. Was that a poppy? I don't know. Some kind of smaller flower. She said this bee was so chubby that it kept rolling out of the, it kept falling out of the flower. And she said it would have to like crawl back in or fly back in. She said it was the cutest thing she'd ever seen. It was a chunk. It was a one of those big bumblebees. It was just so chunky and adorable. And it was so good. But my glue crew was like, she needs to send that to Birds and Blooms. And I agree. I've been telling her that for a long time because I think that would be so cool to have her photo in there. Because they do. They add photos from like people like you and I. So if you take photos, you can send them to Birds and Blooms. Okay. I don't know if I want, what I want to do here. I almost want to put like a piece of washi tape down the side here. I know. It's just really driving me nuts. So instead of sitting here and pretending like it's not driving me nuts, I'm going to add some washi tape and see if that either makes it feel better for me or raises my anxiety even more. We shall see. I'm just doing it. I'm just doing it. Glue books are for fun. Just play. You know, you can take it seriously and be all whatever with it, or you can just have fun and play. And today, I don't feel great, so I just want to play. Let's see. Do I want to go? I think I just go like this. And I picked a kind of washi tape that can be a little bit more translucent. So I think that'll be good. All right, turning the page, cutting off the washi. And this side. Well, I might as well just trim this while I'm here, because it's the washi's on it. So there we go. We got that. Anything else? Nope. Oh, what's that piece right there? Did I not get it? Well, we'll just have to live with it. Okay. So, let me grab, before I get those lost in the abyss of images over here. Okay. So we have that so far. This makes me feel a lot better. I almost want to put it right here. And I know that defeats the purpose of what I glued there, but we'll just... Actually, you know what? I'll put a word right there. Let's do that. Maybe that'll make me feel better. Let's find some words. Let's see if I can't find one. Incredible eggs. Don't want that. What's this say? Oh! Look what I found. It says, dun dun dun, birdseed. That's perfect. It's perfect. I love it when a plan comes together. Perfect. All right. There we go. There we go. All right. Love that. I really want some more little fussy cuts. I don't have... I think I probably have more in here than I think. Let me see. Let me see what I can find and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have a few things here. I have a few little flowers I just quickly cut up. So I want to add those somewhere. This one's pretty big. I could put it right here. And then I have this little bird, which I could put right there. But I also have two more little flowers here. Maybe I'll add this one here. Maybe that one there, something to that effect. Okay, let's start with this stuff. So let's start with this flower. Okay, put that right here. That looks adorable. And then this one. Oh, I love this glue book. It just, for me, it's just a low pressure, super fun glue book. And it's so pretty to have all the bugs and the flowers and stuff. Okay, we'll do this one. Let's find a spot here. Okay. I love this glue book. And then do I want to add this little? Yeah, I will. I'll just add it. We have it out. We might as well. We'll just put this little pigeon or whatever it is right here. Okay, and then I have my bee stickers that you guys know I'm obsessed with. So I want to add a few of those because why not? I'll put one right there. One right here. That shows up nice on the dark. Let's put one going like that. Okay, I like that. Here's the problem with these bee stickers. Once you start, you can't stop. It's like literally impossible. You just can't. They're so fun and they're so cute. All right, let's do one more and then we'll call it a day. We'll put it right here. Okay, one more of those. What other stickers do I have? Oh, I do have some hummingbird stickers I could add as well. Maybe let's add, these are clear too, I love that. Oh, I guess it just sticks right there. There we go. Put one there. And ooh, I love this pink and purple one. Pink, purple, and teal. I love that combination. I was going to put it right here, but now I don't know. Why am I struggling? We'll put it right here. Like it's going into this little flower. That's what we'll do. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Okay, now all I have to do is trim it. I could add a couple little... No, I'm going to leave it. All my pages don't have to be busy. Okay, so let me put a lid on here. Let me trim my edges really fast. And then we'll round the corners. Oops. I have a couple new birds and blooms I need to harvest. Let me grab my corner rounder here so we can get that going. Oh yeah, I forgot that I had some white over here. I was going to add some washi. I don't think I will. I'll just leave it. Oh, those sides are already done. All right, everyone. Here's my finished double layout of my birds and blooms. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love this glue book. I have a whole playlist if you want to see more of the process of me gluing in this glue book. It's so fun. I love this dragonfly photo. I have lots of pages left to fill, but I also have a lot that I've done. It's a really fun glue book. And in this composition notebook, I did take some pages out. So in my playlist, I also have that video where I show prepping this composition notebook. And you know, I never used to take pages out of my comp book, but I really like the way this feels. It lays a lot more flat, and I really like that. Oh my gosh, these pages are so cute. Some of these are finished, some I could add more. Oh, I love this gardening page. That's a fun one. What else do we have here? Oh yeah, the cranky owl. Ooh yeah, hummingbirds. Lots of purple. Oh, I love this page. That's a fun one with the bird right in the middle there. Oh yeah, this page. This is a full page. I just haven't added anything to it yet. What else do we have back here? Oh yeah, the owl. Remember when we added that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. This one's really cute too. I added a little birdhouse. This I definitely want to add some more too. Yeah, just super fun. Oh, I love this page. I love all the like orange. That looks really nice. Oh yeah, the chicken and the cracked egg. Oh yeah, I haven't looked through this in a little while. It's fun. That bird. feel like this is a mom when you're out like in public and the mom just gives you the look because she doesn't want to cause a scene, but the look is like, don't push me because I will cause a scene to her kids. Oh man. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh, I added her twice. What was I thinking? Obviously I wasn't. Oh, I love this page so much. Okay, where was the page I did today? Where are you? Oh, I see it because I can tell by the washi tape. There we go. All right, everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my video. It really means the world to me, and I appreciate it very much. Don't forget to drink your water. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will see you guys tomorrow for a Happy Mail P.O. Box unboxing video. Don't forget to drink your water, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.